first and foremost, I want to thank Professor Trippeer, Professor John for putting this together and scheduling this together. And thank y'all for coming out and learning about sustainable design. Y'all could be anywhere right now, but y'all are here, so that says a lot about y'all. But first and foremost, before I give you the overview of my background in design, tell you a little about where I'm from and how I got here. I'm originally from Denver, Colorado. Born and raised, best state in the country. And I moved to Houston at the age of 10 and graduated high school from there. And that same summer, I launched my clothing brand Different. I have a few tote bags here that I made under the brand. And through the course of that 3 years, I've had several collections and drops that I've done. And through that, I'll have a lot of excess shirts and garments that were just either misprints or weren't sold. And it was just creating space. And so I had the idea of giving those garments that weren't sold or misprinted a new purpose. And so that's the title of my workshop, is A Different Purpose. And so one of the things I wanted to talk about is there's no better feeling than wearing something that you created. And honestly, the more imperfect the better. And also I had this model that I came up with. It's called the consumer to creator model. And my brother's a business major, so it's probably gonna kill me for saying this. So it's basically shifting people from thinking about initially when we run it's fall or it's winter, we want to buy a coat or any unnecessary garments. So the model is to first look in your closet and see what you can create instead of going out and buying. And so, especially for college students, high school students, fast fashion is what it is because it's affordable. And so fast fashion probably isn't going away, but as consumers, the fast fashion that we do buy, how do we extend the life of that? And so there's several ways that you can do that. One is a bag you can carry anywhere. It's a fashion statement accessory. So I'm excited to share what I can do with that. I have two different versions. I know not everybody can sew, so I have a very simple one. It's a t-shirt bag. Any t-shirt that you're not wearing, you can literally make a bag out of it to carry around anything. And then I also have a pattern here that I drafted. For people that have experience in sewing, and if you don't, go for it, try.
So we'll have patterns. For those of you who want to follow this process, you'll be able to have one of these as a take home so that you can replicate the bag also on your side.
And this that bag is laptop size, so you can carry it to work as well. So that is all I have. And also, I brought one t-shirt. So somebody wants to come up here and actually construct one. Feel free. I know some other people actually brought their own t-shirts, so they can jump on the machine as well. And yeah, thank you all for coming out.
So we're going to do the overview first. Each artist is going to introduce what they're doing, and then we're going to invite you to come and participate on the individual demonstrations. So thank you so much.
T-shirt demo. T-shirt is one of the most common items in your closet.
This is what we're going to be demonstrating first. This t-shirt bag. So I'm going to can we pass it around so you can see it? Yeah. It's got filler in it right now. Actually, I'm going to take the filler out so you can kind of see. It's how it kind of.
So you can be your first time, so you can do this. It's literally 3 stitches.
Yeah. Here, we're gonna
Directions again. Okay. So can you either do a 2-handle or 1-handle tote bag? I prefer the 2-handle. So fold that in half.
Yeah, this is for real, for real. So if you need to see, you're welcome to come around and stand by here also to see what we're doing. But you're taking your t-shirt and we're gonna chop it right off.
Very simple. Any volunteers that want to cut me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Yep. Yeah. Those are real tailor scissors. So do you feel the power of thousands of years of tailoring in your fingers right now?
Lighting the shirt better.
All right. Excellent. Okay. Second volunteer. Who else wants to come up and
Come on
volunteer?
down. It's like a game show.
Come on. Come on.
Another cut right here.
Yeah, so you're gonna cut the neck. Mhm.
Tim, could you do this if you have a muscle shirt?
Yeah, that'd actually be easier.
We're converting this into a muscle shirt right now, so yeah. All right, all right. Thank you.
You have your beginning steps of your t-shirt bag. So depending on how deep you want it, you can either trim this off or just sew right here at the end. So I think you want to make a big knot, so you're gonna sew right here at the bottom.
Does anyone do, or you have someone volunteer on the,
Anybody want to jump out here?
Oh, wait.
you're gonna have them on the sewing machine? Oh, you're gonna drive. If you're volunteering now, you're gonna drive. Are you ready to drive? All right, why don't you come on around?
And so after this step, you want to.
Now be kind on the driver.
Okay, I'll be alright. Come on, sit down, man. So you want to take it inside out. The microphone at the same time. So.
Yeah.
So bring the pressure down. So hold your foot pedal. Once you stitch, you can do the back stitch, and that's what
Why don't you back stitch it for him and then let him do some straight stitch. So you're just gonna guide it smoothly.
Just keep that straight right there. And drive it. Yeah.
Not like on the turbo speedway. All right. Do we want a second volunteer to also join on the stitching? Who here would like to get behind the wheel and drive for a little bit?
Jericho?
Anybody else want to try driving? Yeah, come on around, come on around. Thank you so much. Tim will guide you. Set it up, line it up. Yep.
Press the gas.
Yahoo!
Let's go.
It's going! It's going! All right. Do you want to take it to the finish line, or you want to share with somebody else?
I'll let somebody else do it.
Okay.
You can't go really slow.
Yeah.
To play with it now.
Anybody else want to try driving? All right. Yeah. Set them up.
See this line right here? That's why you go do that. So keep it straight. And you just go straight back. Get your gas pedal right there. Since you wanted to go last, I'm gonna have you back stitch it too to lock it in.
All right.
I'm gonna walk you through it. Come on, let's go.
I got on boots.
Yeah.
It's not going.
There you go.
I did not give you lines praise.
Oh, you all over the place.
All right, Tim, take us home and fix it back up.
I told you.
Oh,
that line. Well, somebody else messed it up before me.
All right.
Backstitching.
Let's take it home. All right.